What's going on, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. In today's video I'm going to talk to you about the Typewriter Pull-Up, not to get confused with the Archer Pull-Up. Let's do this. So a first prerequisite for doing Typewriter Pull-Ups, because it's like an intermediate kind of move, is to be able to do the pull-up and to be really comfortable with doing pull-ups. So a good rep range for doing pull-ups would be like 5 to 15, and where you feel like you're really solid with the pull-up, you don't feel anything in your shoulders. The next prerequisite is to have good teres major, minor and rear delt strength, because the number of times I did the Typewriter pull-up and my teres major just got inflamed because I didn't work it out is, wow, it's too much, okay? So that's why I recommend you have at least some type of rowing exercise into your routine, being it with weights, being it with rubber bands, or just body weight rowing exercises. If you're doing them on a consistent basis and you have really strong teres major, real delts, all that kind of good stuff, then you're good to go. Let's talk about technique. You want to start in a dead hang and you pull up, and you don't want to be in a regular grip, but you want to be in a hook grip or a false grip, whatever it's called. No, it's a hook grip, where your thumbs are over the bar. That way you can smoothly straighten your arms and go to the extended position with your arms. And that way the transition will be a lot smoother between going from one side to the other. Okay, so to be able to go side to side is already a nice Typewriter pull-up, but to really finish off the move, what you can do is you have to straighten out the arm, so the arm is resting on the bar, and just hold it like that, and that really makes the Typewriter pull-up a nice and finished move. So good luck with that, guys. So, a quick recap. Make sure you have a lot of pulling strength, but also do a lot of rowing motions to be able to maintain a physical health in your shoulders and your upper back when doing Typewriter pull-ups. Know for sure that you'll be able to do a Typewriter pull-up very fast. I was able to do it very fast, but to be able to do it healthy, that took me quite a while, because I didn't do rowing exercises, and now I do, and it helps me out tremendously. So get that upper back strength as high up as possible, and you'll be healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and leave a comment down below. If you want to see something made by me, just leave it in the comments down below, and see you in the next one. Peace.